Alright guys, today we have here something super exciting. I mean, we've not done a lot of unboxings on the channel and you probably can already see by the title down below, but we are going to check out a very quick hands-on first impressions with the Honor 600 Pro. Now this is going to be launching real soon, and in today's video, obviously due to certain embargoes and all that, I'm only allowed to show you what comes in the box, talk a little bit about the cameras, and of course we're going to deep dive a little bit more and check out these beautiful colors that we have for the 600 Pro. Now the 600 base model, I don't really have it today right now, so we'll take a look at that in a future video. But let's head over to the desk right away so I can show you up close and personal what you can expect from the brand new Honor 600 Pro. Let's go. Alright, so now that we are at the desk, as you can see, we already have those phones unboxed, but I just want to show you very quickly what you actually do get in the package. So when you get this, basically you get the phone itself, which we will take a look later on. In the box itself, you do have a very nice transparent casing. This is actually pretty basic, I would say, but it does offer some protection because it might be hard to find a case. You definitely want to hold on to this. There's also a charging brick in the box, obviously. This is actually an 80-watt Honor supercharged fast charger. And of course, you do get its respective cable together in a box. So the charger is still here, even though some manufacturers are removing them, but we still get that with the Honor 600 Pro. Alright, so I know you've been waiting for these beauties right here. So these are the main stars of the show. Very quickly, let me just show it to you. The three colors that we have over here. Now, I'm not sure what the official name is for the colors itself, but I'm just going to call it black, orange, and off-white. I'll just call it white. It's a bit off-white, as you can see here. So let's just start off with the orange model because this is the one that's really striking. It stands out a lot. What I noticed here is that the materials being used on the Honor 600 Pro is making it feel more and more like a flagship device. It does not feel cheap or anything like that. In the past, it might not be that premium, but now it really feels like an expensive phone. So we do have this plateau or whatever you want to call it. I think it does make the phone look quite elegant. The entire device is matte at the back, and we have this very soft kind of feeling. So it's not like those rough kind of matte where you actually have fingerprints sticking on them. This one really resists all kinds of fingerprints, and that's great. Even for the black model, usually for the black models, you still get a lot of fingerprints at the back over here, but with this very nice material at the back, you do not have any of those fingerprints. Great. Now moving over to the sides, you can see that we have here a boxy kind of design. We do have a couple of buttons on here. We have the volume rocker, we have the power button, and of course this camera shutter, which you can also use to map to any kind of shortcut key, is still here as well. So great stuff over there. Overall, just in terms of the weight, there's a slight heft to it that makes it feel, like I said, a bit more premium again. And overall, I think it's just a very nice feeling device. Now, I'm just going to swap very quickly to the off-white or white model. I think this is an extremely clean look, guys. Let's take a look at how beautiful this is. I think Honor really knocked it out of the park with this version because not only do we have this very elegant plateau as well, the entire sides themselves is in sort of like a silver colorway, so not really the same tones as at the back. But I think this is actually my favorite color if I were to choose one. And finally, of course, you have the black, which is the most understated. If you are someone who really likes your phone in black, this is the model that you are going to go for. The sides look like this as well, so it's just totally blacked out. And finally, if you just put all three side by side, now I'm really curious to know which is your favorite color. Let me know down below. Are you going to go for the black, the orange, or the off-white? Let me know down in the comment section below. Alright, so I can't talk too much about the specs, but I just want to go over the camera very quickly. What I can let you know is that we do have a 200 megapixel main sensor with OIS on board. There's also a 3.5 times telephoto lens. I've actually taken a ton of photos. Before I go into that, I should talk about the screen first. So the display at the front is actually a flat display, which is great. I know some of you dislike those curved displays. I personally am not a fan of curved displays as well. And if you just take a closer look at the bezels, let me just reduce this brightness so you can see it a bit better. And just take a look at how thin and symmetrical those bezels are. Again, like I said, this is feeling more and more like a premium upmarket flagship killer kind of device. And I've taken more than 1,500 photos in here. There's a ton of photos that I can only share with you in the next video. So yeah, just a very quick look at the design. Overall, let me know what you think about the Honor 600 Pro. Alright guys, so that's pretty much what I can share with you in today's very quick hands-on first impressions video, mainly talking about the design and a very brief talk about the camera lens at the back. Now, before I go, I just want to let you know that my photography experience with the Honor 600 series, 600 Pro actually has been really positive. I noticed that this year, I'm just going to give a very quick hint before I go. The camera, I'm just going to give a very quick hint before I go, but the pictures you can see on here is looking less processed. So in the past, you might notice that Honor devices always, the camera is very aggressive with its processing, over sharpening and all that. So a lot of that has been reduced on the Honor 600 Pro. Not only that, the skin tones this time around has also been improved. They are no longer like super contrasty, very dark, very vibrant kind of looks here, but it now looks even more natural and closer to what you would expect to see with your own eyes. So I think that's a lot of positives to talk about the camera, which again, I will talk about in the next video because of embargo. I'm not trying to because of embargo, but thank you for watching today's video all the way to the end. Again, don't forget to leave a comment down below on what you want me to test out for the Honor 600 Pro. Don't forget to also comment which color is your favorite one, not forgetting the black over here. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Do take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.